If your Samsung phone is struggling with slow Wi-Fi speeds, this guide will help you boost it up 10 times faster. By adjusting a few key settings, you can significantly improve your connection. Let's dive in and get your Wi-Fi running smoothly again. Before doing anything, make sure of these basic things. Restart the Wi-Fi router by turning it off and on. Turn off mobile data. Stay closer to the router. Turn off the Wi-Fi for other electronic devices. Solution 1. Turn on the Wi-Fi scan throttling. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Developer Options. Scroll down again. Find out Wi-Fi scan throttling and toggle it on. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Open Settings. Tap Connection. Tap Wi-Fi. Then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap Forget at the bottom right corner. Now tap on your Wi-Fi network name again. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to toggle on the Auto Reconnect. Then tap Connect. After that, check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Turn off Data Saving Mode. Go to Settings. Tap Connection. Scroll down. Tap Data Usage. Here, you can see the Data Saver option. Tap on it. Now turn it off. Solution 4. Change the DNS server. Go to Settings again. Tap Connection. Tap Wi-Fi. Then tap on the settings icon from the right side of your Wi-Fi network name. Tap View More from the below. Then tap IP Settings. Select Static. Now tap IP address. Type your IP address over here. Then tap Gateway. Type your router IP like 192.168.68.1. Tap Network Prefix Length. Type 24. After that, tap DNS1. Type 8.8.8.8. After that, tap DNS2. Type 8.8.4.4. Then tap Save/Connect. Solution 5. Reset Wi-Fi settings. Go to Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Scroll down again. Tap Reset. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while. Hopefully, this resolves your problem once and for all. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to catch more helpful tips. And if there's anything you want to ask, drop your questions in the comments below. I'll do my best to respond.